good morning, afternoon, whatever time it is you are. So day 4 of my BioMicroneedling, you can see that a lot has lifted. I have put on a prebiotic mask, which is packed full of really good ingredients, pre and probiotics. So really good for when your skin, you know, as you can see here, needs a little bit of extra love. So that has helped lift off quite a bit after I cleansed my face this morning. You can see that I've still got the lightest sort of layer here to peel across there. You can see the color difference there. But if you have a look at the videos yesterday compared to today, it's one of those things where because BioMicroneedling shortens your skin cycle from 28 days to 7, you're not going to be sitting there forever like my videos yesterday. It's, as you can see, literally overnight, all that's come away. Today is the day when you're a little bit irritated, like up here, where you want to be using a really good moisturizer like our prebiotic moisturizer. So if you are interested in giving our BioMicroneedling a go, which, by the way, if you don't know, we are the only place in Australia that manufactures our kit in Australia. If you want to give it a go, whether you want to go our 1-pack or our 3-pack, get 30% off until midnight tonight only. Use the code LIVE, L-I-V-E, 30 at the checkout. So there we go. You won't be like that forever. A couple of days, 24 hours really is the worst bit of it, if I'm going to be honest, with all the big discoloration happening. Really great for acne, really great for wrinkles, anything that you really want to resurface. You can see that my skin is really nice and quite smooth at the moment, which you'll see as soon as you do the treatment. Alrighty, have a good day. See ya.